What's up, guys? This is Maria D with the Wreath Machine, home of the Wreath Lock, the world's first and only specialized security device created to help keep the door decor that you love secure. So, what I'm going to do today is show you another way that you can use the Wreath Lock on another type of decor item to secure it on your door. So, I know there's a lot of people out there, or quite a bit of people, that love to make door hangers. So this is a 1/2 inch thick door hanger sign, just plain, not decorated. I normally do wreaths, but I wanted to show you another use for the Wreath Lock that I happened to think of on the way home today, because y'all, I've had people over the last year since the Wreath Lock has come out ask me, is there any way for me to secure my door hangers with your product? To which I responded, yes and no, you can. You may have to use the rope that's on the back of it. Like, essentially you could, but it wasn't really the way you're supposed to use the product. The Wreath Lock is made to be used with the Wreath Lock hook and the adapter. That's the primary use. So essentially, you could use it. I didn't really suggest it. But today, I thought of another way, y'all. So we can add this to our list of uses for the Wreath Lock. So first, if you didn't know, the Wreath Lock was primarily created to secure wreaths like wireframe wreaths, grapevine wreaths, even swags with an additional purchase. Then we've come to discover you can actually secure some pieces of artwork on your door. You can even secure floral baskets that have the handles at the top, etc., etc. I am coming out with a adapter that's just a little bit wider and bigger to secure larger items. Because y'all, believe it or not, there are people in the world that want to secure more than just wreaths on their door. And door hangers is another one of those things. So what I'm going to show you is how to secure a sawtooth hanger, just like this, onto the back of your door hanger, and show you how to actually use it with the adapter and the Wreath Lock to secure it to whatever door you choose and know that it is secure a good amount. So let me just show you. This is the sawtooth hanger package that I purchased. It's a pack of 14. You can get whatever size you like. These are the small ones. They're under 1/2 inch long once you hammer them into the piece of wood. I have my wood hanger blank that is 1/2 inch thick. So that is what I suggest using. Obviously, you're going to use what you want to use. That's just my suggestion. So what I'm going to do is show you how to attach the sawtooth hanger to the back of your door hanger piece. And then I'm going to show you how it works with the Wreath Lock. So I'm going to pan down. There will be some hammering. Just please bear with me, y'all, because I kind of got to do that. So let me pan down to the counter. I'm doing it on the counter, y'all, because I don't know if my craft table can handle all the hammering. Okay, so I have my door hanger sign. This is how it's supposed to face. I'm going to get my sawtooth hanger. There's one side that has a lot of teeth and the other side that has just a few teeth. So I'm going to put it facing upwards where the very few teeth are at the top. And I'm going to do it about 2 inches from the top of my sign, as level as possible. And I'm going to hammer. So excuse me, y'all. I don't know if you want to mute your phone for a minute. 3, 2, 1. Okay, she is in now. Okay, thank you for bearing with me. Okay, Now I'm going to show you on this table, I'm going to take my adapter. This adapter comes free with any Wreath Lock hook you purchase. Whether it's the 12-inch total length, the 16-inch total length, or the 25.5-inch total length, you get one adapter as this is shown here. You can get these separate, purchase them separate, purchase extra ones if you happen to lose the one you get, or if you just want to buy extras, feel free to do so. They are available separate at wreathlock.com and on Etsy if you type in Wreath Lock. So you're going to take the adapter, you're going to place it through the sawtooth hanger, and then you're going to get your Wreath Lock hook. Whenever you're going to secure something with the Wreath Lock hook, you're going to flip it facing the back of whatever you want to secure. You're going to pass it through, flip, pass, hang. Let it drop to the bottom. And then let me pan back up so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all. So, as you can see, the sawtooth hanger is now embedded into the piece of the door hanger. We have the adapter for the Wreath Lock, and we have the Wreath Lock itself securing everything. So the Wreath Lock and the adapter are made to work together. It's called a product ecosystem. So these are available at wreathlock.com. The sawtooth hanger, y'all, it's wherever you get your hardware at or on the online, wherever you choose to purchase from. Sawtooth hangers. Again, I suggest using a 1/2-inch thick door sign if you can get one. But what you would do after you have the Wreath Lock on the adapter is take this over to the door, lock and close the door. Let me show you. Hopefully y'all can see. Y'all see? Move the camera up a little bit more. I wasn't planning on doing this, but let me show you. Best to show you, right? So once you have the decor and the Wreath Lock on the door, the items will now be secure. Once the door is locked and closed, your external doors obviously, you will not be able to remove this unless you unlock and open the door. That is the whole premise of this product. The Wreath Lock is created to be a specialized security device to help keep your door decor secure on the door, okay? So you can check out this innovative patent pending product at wreathlock.com. If you sign up for emails at wreathlock.com, when the little box pops up, you can get a promo code for 10% off your purchase. As always, free shipping, and you get the free adapter that comes with it. So if y'all wouldn't mind visiting wreathlock.com and signing up and purchasing your Wreath Lock, I would greatly appreciate the support. If you know anyone that makes door hangers, that owns a door hanger, that needs to secure a door hanger, if you wouldn't mind sharing this video out, I would greatly appreciate it, as I am trying to get the knowledge of the Wreath Lock out into the world and help people secure their door decor. Because y'all, we no longer have to deal with our door decor blowing off from strong winds, falling off from slammed doors, and most of all, being taken by porch pirates. So help me help everyone by sharing this with as many people as you can, as we are entering the second half of 2026. Holiday seasons, y'all. The wreaths are coming out, the door hangers are coming out, all the decor is coming out. Whatever you want to hang on your door should be secure, and the Wreath Lock can help you do it. And also stay tuned for the larger adapters coming soon to wreathlock.com. So again, thank y'all for watching. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye, y'all.